Hello, everybody. I'm here to tell you about a workshop we have added to the conference schedule at the last minute. It's not really a workshop, but it's going to be an opportunity for you, the members, and maybe people who would like to join ACTO to talk to two of the directors, namely Nield and me. We have been listening to you, and we have been seeing your emails and what you've been saying on the ACTO Facebook page and group. So we want to give you this chance to talk to us, to tell us what you would like to see more, what you would like to see less. Cal is going to be the director to go to for that. And we also want to give you a sneak peek of the new website. Some of you might know that we've been working on that really hard for the last couple of weeks. It isn't finished, so we can't show you the finished product, but we can show you what we're working on. And again, if you have ideas for things that you think we should incorporate into the website, come and tell us. I can tell you that the directories will be completely new. We've got a web designer working on them, and they're going to stand out more. They're going to be search engine optimized. There will be many more buttons on the website directing people to those directories. They're really going to be one of our priorities because we know they are important to you. So if you are coming to the conference and you would like to talk to us on the day, sign in for our workshop and we'll see you there.